This is the LOVELEDI portable charger power bank. It's very powerful at 15,000 milliamps and it features dual 15-watt fast charging, all in a very slim and portable design. So we've all been there. You're on the go, it's the end of the day, and your phone is about to die. What are you going to do? Well, this LOVELEDI power bank will charge your iPhone, iPad, or any other USB charged portable device with ease, iOS or Android. The box comes with the power bank, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and detailed instructions. Charging the power bank is easy with either the USB-C or micro USB input charge ports, and there's a power level indicator light. You can then charge two devices simultaneously with 15 watts of fast charging power from the two USB-A power output ports. Now, I can even charge my MacBook Pro with its 15,000 milliamp hour charging capabilities. Amazing. Now, I like the fact that there's a Smart Protect safety system built in to protect both you and your devices. Things like temperature, short-circuiting, and overcharging. I also like that it's affordable for such a powerful system that can fit in your pocket, making it perfect for traveling. The powerful dual fast charging portable charger power bank from LOVELEDI. Check this one out. I think you're going to like it.